today let's start with chapter number 6, Greenland, land of snow. Right? So let's study about the Greenland now, the polar region that are found far south and north ends of the globe. ये coldest region होते हैं, इनको हम polar region कहते हैं. That lies between your Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere, Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. Right? So location, if we talk about polar region, northern polar region is called Arctic. It's a huge ocean surrounded by land, and most of the ocean is frozen. And the people live in northern parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Now, the southern polar region comprises continent of Antarctica. It is ice covered throughout the year. They dry, cold, and very windy scientist visitor live here. और इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटी जो है वो भी आपकी यहीं पे होती है. Now, climate of Greenland is polar climate, extremely cold and chilly throughout the year. टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो बिलो द 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है, राइट. एंड देयर इज हैवी स्नोफॉल, मोर देन 3/4 ऑफ द आई फ्लैग is snow covered and ice. In summer, it's bright, sunny, and dry. And these are continuous sunlight for several weeks. Greenland is often called land of midnight sun क्योंकि जो summer होती है, sun shines even at the midnight. Right? Greenland enjoys more hours of summer than every. If we talk about vegetation, here you can see very few plants and trees grow over here, right? Hence, the soil in this region remain frozen throughout the year. It is called the tundra region. Grasses, shrubs, lichens और जो mosses होते हैं are the only plants that grow here. These plants grow close to the ground. Tall trees do not grow here. Birch trees, willows, ferns and herbs जो होते हैं वो grow करते हैं. Wildlife. Animals found in Greenland have thick coat of fur which help them to survive in harsh winter. कुछ एनिमल्स आपको यहाँ आइसलैंड में मिलते हैं जो इंक्लूड करते हैं रेनडियर, पोलर बियर, मिंक, मस्काउ, आर्टिक फॉक्स, आर्टिक वूल्स, आर्टिक हैव सील्स. We have huskies which are also found in the Green. If we talk about economy, वहाँ की इकोनॉमी कैसी है? So Greenland is dependent on financial help. जो डैनिश गवर्नमेंट है वो इनकी हेल्प करती है, right? So Icelanders depend on fishing. Chief products are frozen, tinned, dried and smoked fish and shrimp, and they are exported. Agriculture is possible only on 1% of the island area. Inuits work in mines, oil fields and construction company. Large number of Inuits have migrated to towns, so they have better education, medical facilities and means of entertainment which is available. So they are connected by air to Europe, North America and many parts of the world. It is no longer a remote island. It is now on its way to join hands with rest of the world. And what it is doing, it making advancement in the field of science and technology. Life of the people, how the Greenlanders, Inuits और Eskimos जो होते हैं वो आपके कलाइट नैट मीनिंग लैंड ऑफ द पीपल, वहाँ के लोग कहा जाता है इन्हें. इसकी कैपिटल सिट नुक है. ग्रीनलैंडर्स दे आर वेरी पीसफुल पीपल बट दे आर वेरी फ्यू इन नंबर. जो उनकी स्किन होती है वो येलोइश ब्राउन होती है, फ्लैट फेस होता है, नैरो आईज होती है. दे लिव इन द वेस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ ग्रीनलैंड जो बहुत ज्यादा कैसा होता है, वार्मेस्ट रीजन है. सो लोग वहां पे क्या बोलते हैं, ग्रीनलैंडिक, डैनिश एंड इंग्लिश. दे आर होम्स कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑफ स्नो, स्टोन, सॉड और वुड. सो ड्यूरिंग द समर फैमिलीज लिव इन टेंट्स मेड फ्रॉम फर्स और स्किन्स. और इन टेंट्स को क्या बोला जाता है, टू पिक्स. Few family also lives in dome-shaped snow house called igloos. Typical Greenlandic food is fish, potatoes, vegetables, canned food. Seal और जो polar bear हैं, they are eaten as meat. Transportation जो है आपका ग्रीनलैंड का, डॉग स्लेज, स्नोमोबाइल, कोस्टल फेरी, हेलीकॉप्टर. हस्कीज क्या करता है, वो स्लेजेस को ड्रॉ करता है, खींचते हैं. Greenland has blend of Inuits and Danish culture. Traditional Inuits, they are the essential parts of country identity. Now, what we do, they are benefit by the people while raising their standard of living. धीरे धीरे वो काम कर रहे हैं इस चीज पे भी, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. We will meet in next class. Thank you.